Hello everyone, this is Mayank and welcome to my channel. Today we'll talk about one company called Credit Access Grameen, and this is a microfinance based company. So we'll discuss about the business, we'll understand the sector and its impact, understand the fundamentals of this business, and then we'll discuss the technical chart and see what kind of opportunities present in the stock or not. So Credit Access Grameen is a microfinance company which is a women only initiative. Basically it's a joint what they call is it's joint liability groups. So they are based on that business model. We'll see the company what it does and what it doesn't. So this company is into, as I told you, into microfinance, and this company was formed in the 1996 by someone called Mrs. Vinata M. Reddy from Bangalore. This was inspired by a book called Give Us Credit by Alex Count, who is president and CEO of Grameen Foundation USA. So we can discuss the background of this company later. In a brief, this company has 39.12 lakh, more than that, borrowers, more than 13,587 crore asset under management, more than 247 plus districts. There are more than 1,424 branches, and there are more than 14,000 employees. If you see further, they have two different set of products: financial products and non-financial products services. And then if you see further down the line, then they are present in these many states in India. Karnataka, they started the journey from Karnataka, Bangalore. Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Kerala, Goa, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand. So almost they are present in close to 20 states in India, and out of this they are present in more than 265 districts right now. This is what the company looks like in a way. As I told you, this company has mostly deal with the joint liability groups of women. So these are the success stories what you can read in their website. A lot of many people got benefited using their initiative of providing microfinance loans to women groups, and they have a very good thought process behind it. We can see more on that if we go further. So there are a few awards this company has got. So you can read more on this, some pricing transparency and some smart campaign and these many products. Just to see more details about this company, if you click on their genesis, then probably you will know more about this company. So genesis means this company, as I told you, this company was formed by 1996 by Mrs. Vinita M. Reddy. The book actually follows the Grameen Bank of Bangladesh model, through which they have empowered a lot of women in Bangladesh, and that the same thing they tried to replicate in India, and they were funded by Grameen Trust from Bangladesh, and that's why they added the name called Grameen. And this is the reason this company only works with women only group, where they try to empower them. Through this, the company, as I told you, agreed further. The company started in the Avalahalli, in a place on the outskirts of South Bangalore. They offer collateral-free loans as well as other services to women from poor and low-income household, with the aim of creating equal opportunity and inclusive development of both urban and rural poor. What they believe is that Credit Access Grameen targets women because they are an integral part of the family, community and country's socio-economic environment. It has been observed that women tend to use resources more productively, so improving financial access for women may increase their participation in the families and the community development. Now this is something which I also concur a lot, because women, the way women of our family, be it our sister, daughter, mother, whoever, the way they can manage things, we as a men are not in that kind of capability. So if they become more financially aware, more financially literate, it's benefit for everyone, from home to the country and everyone. And that's the reason why most of the banks or most of the NBFCs in smaller places, they only deal with joint liability group of women. See, there are many banks which I know, like in Assam, I'm from Assam, so there are, apart from Bandhan Bank, there are many banks which are like Northeastern Bank, and there is something called, I forgot those names basically, but there are many small banks which works on this method, joint liability group methods, especially for women. So they have changed lives of many families, where they have utilized those collateral-free loans and started some business or did some renovation, mostly into business, very small scale businesses, through which they can run their family in a better way. They cannot become millionaire with those businesses. Most of them will not become millionaire with those businesses, but most of them are able to run a better life than before using this kind of loans, which companies like Credit Access Grameen, Ujjivan Small Finance, if you see Equita Small Finance, the big names what are listed. There are many thousands of small names also which are not listed, which you might not know, I might not know. But these groups exist, and when they exist, they help people. They are made for that. So this is how this company operates. This is what this company does basically. Right now, we'll see some products for this company. So if you see in product services, in financial product, they have group lending, which already discussed. And group lending is income generation loans, home improvement loans, emergency loans, family welfare loans. These are all collateral free loans and small amount loans, as I told you, based on JLG. Then retail finance, they have Grameen Udyog loan, Grameen Savari loan for buying some vehicles. Like a lot of people, if you see small towns, they buy battery rickshaws and they use that for their day-to-day income and running their family. Grameen Vikas loan, Grameen Suvidha loan. So there are many this kind of financial products this company does. They have taken distributorship of free products, like one is life insurance. If you see more what this company does into life insurance, they have tied up with some big companies like Shriram Life Insurance Company Limited, ICICI Prudential Life, SDFC Life, and Kotak Life. But only for smaller products, like 2 lakh is covered only, and then all the things 2 lakhs are covered and 5 lakhs are covered for different kind of joint credit life, joint term life, and individual term life. So they are trying to impart more financial blanket to a poor families or rural poor families. So this company is into that kind of direction where they are helping society to grow further. Now, if you see as a sector, why I am so happy and so bullish on this particular sector. In my previous video, I have discussed about IIFL as well, IIFL Finance. I'll leave the link in the description of the card so you can see that video as well. Same logic goes for this current company also. From the social initiative, this company is good, but from financial perspective, if you see this, after COVID second wave, a lot of people went into debt. A lot of people has been through a lot. They lost people, they lost their family members. Apart from that, they become financially weak. So now they need support to grow further. Now they need a helping hand so that they can start something from scratch, or they can restart their business which was going through a lockdown, or they can do something. They can do something through which they can earn some livelihood. So these kind of companies are very strong fundamentally and is strong in their ethics ground. So Credit Access Grameen, as I told you, Grameen, they are very strong financially and fundamentally, which we'll see in the fundamental analysis. But from ethics perspective, whatever we understood so far, their JLG with Women Group, the kind of background they have, the kind of founding they have done, the kind of products they have in their bucket. So everything together, if you see, this company is an initiative where the people who have suffered from COVID-19 will get a lot of help. And this company, when they do help, they also do business. And this business will keep on growing. And more women are coming out of their homes and starting businesses. It doesn't matter if it's very small or a micro-sized business, but they are coming out of their home. They are trying to improve their household income by getting into the field of earning money. And this kind of companies help them to become more financially able and become more able to support their family. And that is the reason these companies will grow a lot with the growth of India, and they will participate big time in the growth of the country in the long run. And also they will help a lot for the economy to come out from the rural economy, basically, not say economy as a whole, but rural economy to come out of that COVID beaten down sectors. I'll say a lot of people are destroyed a lot. Life has been turned around completely, financially at least. So these companies help them to stand up again and start fighting the odds, start fighting this pandemic and everything. So this is the sector which will grow both short term and both on long term, and that's the reason why I discussed this a lot of times before also. When I discussed Equitas Small Finance Bank, I discussed about Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, I discussed the same thing. Today also I'm saying the same thing. Maybe 3 months down the line, if I get a good opportunity in some kind of microfinance, I'll say the same thing, that this company is going to play a very big role in the growth of the country in the next 10 years. So it's a very, very important factor to notice. We discuss the business, we discuss the fundamentals, discuss some Gyan also. So let's move to the fundamentals. This company is small cap, almost a mid cap company, 10,000 crores of company. They have stock is very high, 71.7, and because their price has reduced a lot, because the earning has reduced a lot, because of this the stock P has reached 71.7. ROC and ROE is decent compared to, considering what this company does. Compared to that, this company's ROC and ROE is okay. Promoter holding is very good. They have 74% holding. That is very good. Debt to equity ratio is good. It's a finance based company, so debt will be very high. That's a good part. Net profit is 142 crores. In spite of being such an initiative based company, they are profitable, and even after going through so much of pandemic and all, they're still profitable. So that's a very good thing. Let's go to see quarterly of this company's numbers. Quarterly, if you see last 12 quarters, 286, 310, 350, they're growing, 336, 376, 393, 453, 460. They're growing consistently, 510. But after this, growth reduced because of the people affected from pandemic. They are not able to pay their money back. So this 2 quarter was bad, but again March 2021 they recovered. June result might be little bad. We have to watch and see, wait and watch what the result comes out. But expecting the result to be little bad because the peak of COVID and many people who might not be able to pay their EMIs or their loan amount or whatever they have taken. So there might be a small dent in their profit. This is the reason the stock has been reduced a lot. But seeing the fundamentals of this company, how they have grown over last 12 quarters, they have seen consistently growth in their revenue till here. Keeping that in mind, this company might fall in revenue, but again they will come back. So we have to wait and watch what the result comes out. We can go to profit and loss for last. If you see, they started with only 62 crore of revenue, and now they have registered 2028 crore revenue in just 9 years. So if you see what kind of growth this has, this is more than 30-35 times of revenue growth this company has done. So that's a tremendous growth. There are very few companies which are available with this kind of growth. This particular sector, a lot of companies are there in this sector with this kind of growth. So that says the impact and the strength of this particular sector. So 62 crores, 88 crores, 146, and goes up to 2028 crores. So that's a huge number. Don't ignore this part because just because the revenue was fell down in 2021, or it will fall down in June 2021 maybe, but don't ignore the fact that they have been registering every year a new revenue, high revenue. Same goes for their net profit also. From loss of -3 crores, they have reached up to 328 crores of profit. A huge number again. Let's go to promoter holding. I'll just show the debt, how the debt has increased. From 247 crores of borrowing, they have borrowed around 8,781 crores. So all the numbers you see, they are exponential hockey stick kind of growth. And this is the how this company is placed. I'm telling repeatedly, this is how this company is placed. This is how strong the fundamentals of this company, the sector is. Promoter holding, if you see, they have 73.97, 74% close, almost the maximum what they can have. Public has only 6.67% holdings. That's a very small amount of holding which public retail investors has. And there's a great opportunity for people to buy their holdings in this company wherever they get the opportunity. If you see the technical chart analysis, this is the correct opportunity where you can buy this stock because the stock is falling and it doesn't deserve to fall as per me. If it falls little bit, there's all the world opportunity present for this company to grow further from here and reach a new high. From the opportunity perspective, this company's the current price is this one around 665, and the opportunity, what straightforward opportunity is 50% close to when it reached its all-time high, which is close to 982 and 991 and 992. So this is the opportunity what we have, 50% short opportunity, keeping the business in mind, keeping the fundamentals in mind, keeping the sector where this company operates. If you relate everything, this is a short opportunity and it can go a lot further if this company grows. If you see, it got listed here somewhere here it got listed, and after that started growing, it's reached up to here. They got stuck by pandemic, they fall down again, they start rising here, but again corona wave started coming down and they reached here. They started trying to move again, but they again started falling down because of impact of second wave, because people are not able to pay their loans and all. But the strength of this company will come into play, and again they will start rising from there and they will cross their last high for sure. And so this was a little longer video, but if you like the concept, if you like the idea, and if you like the discussion, don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends. If you're not subscribed to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. Let us know in the comments what you feel about the videos, what you feel about the content. If you have any kind of feedback, good, bad, whatever, please let us know in the comment section. See you later in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay safe.